Hey, what's going on today, guys? Welcome back to another Gunpla Misfit review. And today we're going to be looking at the M1 Astray from the Gundam Seed series. And first off, I would actually like to just say to the people that are watching this video, and for anyone else that's watching this in the near future or not, I want to apologize for not putting out any videos in the meantime. Well, in the past couple of weeks, I have been trying to work on some things and been trying to come up with a way to make some better videos for all you guys. So tonight we're going to be looking at the M1 Astray from the Gundam Seed series again. As we see here, we got the shield, beam sabers. These are another set of swords, and his beam weapon. Let's take a look at that stuff first. We'll just move into the side for now. Alright, so I unfortunately tried to do a little painting on the shield and it didn't come out the way that I planned it, but this is shield so far. Basically just two pieces and a poly count right there. Basic beam sabers that we got here. These two of his swords, which I actually thought were pretty cool. I just kind of wish it was fortunately I wish that like this part here was in a different color. If it was like separate pieces, I mean, instead of just one whole entire piece. But anyway, either way, it actually still looks pretty cool. And just remember, if you want to paint it, just try it out. And then this is his beam rifle, which I did a little bit of painting on, and so far actually came out really good. I'm happy about it. Now the kit does come with a set of hands to be able to hold the rifle in. Also comes in a set of a closed fist and open fist. So now we're going to take a look at the M1 Astray. Now, when I actually got this guy, I was trying to purchase the M1 Astray red frame, but I think a little bit of mix-up happened. But so far, we go through the articulation. So you got the arm here. Double jointed elbow. So you got that movement there. Wrist goes all the way around, back and forth, side to side. Oh, we'll just take the arm off first. And you got the ball joint here, so it does twist all the way around in the joint. Up, down, it's not very much. It doesn't. That's basically all the height that you're gonna go. Now the arm does 360. Look at that. Now we also have the leg here, which up does go all the way back like that. You probably, if you actually move that, you can definitely get maybe a little bit more, but that's basically what you got there. So now, we also got the movement at the ankle. Now I will say, this is probably like one of my favorite high-grade kits so far. It's another good one. I wouldn't say anything bad about it, really. Head moves, up, down, side to side, and at first it was a little bit difficult just to try to get a 360 movement around it, but it's basically what you got right there. I will say, I think the one thing that kind of disappointed me a little bit was in this part of the arm, which isn't detailed or anything. It's just like a block of red, like red block basically. But pretty much anything else, I actually like enjoy the kit a lot. I don't want to forget, but we also do have the jetpack, or the backpack right here, which this moves side to side, up and down. Then these don't do anything, and then these don't here. These are also a set of stickers that go right inside of here as well. Now these little piece right here is the holder for the sword. There you go. That's what you get right there. Let's see if we can add the other sword in. There you go. This is once I have both swords in. Now, another cool feature is that this little hole right there is for the shield. However, you can actually take this little piece that's right here, and you put the gun and the shield on it. So go right there, and this piece would go right on the side, well, right underneath. It basically sits there. Now, go back to the backpack, so that little hole right there. And of course it wants to fall out. Of course, I don't think it wants to work with me right now, but yeah, you get the picture. Fortunately, it just doesn't want to work with me right now. But again, this is basically what it would look like on a side. But yeah. That's the side right there. And then the beam sabers, the little holding piece right in the backpack. Now, if you're ever curious of what the music I'm playing is in the background, I'm actually listening to Chilled Cow, or if it's Buffalo Chilled Now, I honestly forgot. But so I love the beat of the music so far. But yeah, so here is the M1 Astray. Maybe one of the next videos I'll end up doing, I'll have to get the actual Astray red frame this time. Do another little video. So yeah, I basically also want to say that I will be posting some more videos at some point in the future. I'm trying to get this man cave thing I have set up at my place right now. Trying to get that all set up and get that ready to go. And so just be patient a little bit, and I'll be able to post some more videos and some more reviews. If you guys would like to see more reviews, please like and subscribe to the channel. And like I said in my other videos, since I'm still kind of like new to this, just post in the make a comment, send me an email. Just tell me what I can do to make the videos better. I want to be able to show you guys reviews, and like honestly, like gunpla, Gundams, they're freaking awesome, and I love the hobby, and I want to show that I want to show that love to you guys as well. So as always, this is Gunpla Misfit Reviews, signing off. Hey guys, I also just wanted to throw into the video that if you want to get amazing kits or tools or anything like that, I recommend two places. One, go check out the guys at Hobby Haven in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. Very nice guys there, very helpful and everything. They also have a good selection of kits and other model kits as well. So you don't have to get just Gunpla. If you want to get like airplanes or battle tanks, you can do that as well. Now, the other place is, of course, Gundam Pros. Go check those guys out online. Very nice guys there. You can even get a Gundam Pros t-shirt. And it actually, like, I've washed it so many times that it doesn't wear out or anything. So yeah, go check them out. Right now, Gundam Pros is doing a percentage off. They're doing a 10% off if you use Buzz4Kids on there as like a promo code. Right now the owner is actually going to be shaving his head for Buzz4Kids, so it's also for a very good deed right now. Yeah, go check them out.